So here we have a casting for the medical industry. I think it does a great job of representing everything we can do here at Batesville Products. The application for this is a cart. It's a medical cart. This is a semi-permanent mold casting, so it involves a sand core. They wanted to use the sand core because they wanted to be able to feed in the electrical wires and not have them be exposed. They're able to create the hollow pocket inside the casting. Also have machining that's done in-house, so our machine shop did the finishing, threading, and then powder coating as well. What I really like about this casting in particular is it really does a great job of showing all of the things Batesville Products can do for a part, and being so small, they're all kind of in one really tight package here.